Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to report inappropriate content by flagging a review in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. One of them is the community, where you can click on the plus button to click on the posts and post something that you want. Or you can go and click on the search bar to see some other people's posts. We also have the jobs, where guys, you can see that you can find your perfect job. So you can enter the job name there and the location and click search to find some jobs. Also, we have companies where you can find a workplace that works for you. So this basically is a new feature. If you have an employer in mind, you can go and search for a company by typing the name here and clicking on the search button. Also, we have the salaries, where you can see, are you paid fairly? So basically, you can go and find out if you have been paid fairly by typing the job name here. And now guys, let's see how to report inappropriate content by flagging a review in Glassdoor. Well, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Employer Center and then click on Review Title. When you do that, on the review you wish to report, click the flag icon below the content. And then if a text box is provided, limited to 1,500 characters or less, explain why you're reporting the review. And then you can just go and click Send. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.